Ministry of Port Shipping and Waterways has regularly meeting with stakeholders. As part of this process, our ministry, along with Department of Commerce, CBIC, and DGFT, held a meeting yesterday to review the current status of the issues being faced by the stakeholders such as FIEO, CSLA, EEPEC, SEPC, APEDA, and others. These are all associations and organizations of the exporters. During the meeting, exporters and their associations were requested to share their issues along with the port name where they are facing the issues. They were informed that directions have already been issued to shipping lines to extend the benefits, reliefs provided by the ports to the exporter upfront instead of processing on reimbursement basis, which we discussed yesterday also. Ports were directed to publish the details of all concession and waivers extended to the containers in the public domain so that they know some kind of relief has been provided container-wise in the public domain through their respective website to ensure greater transparency and visibility. Adequate bunker facilities are made available at all the ports in coordination with oil companies and MOPNG, and there is no shortage. There is no accumulation or crowding of containers at the port on account of port operation. I would like to add here that when this problem started on account of shipping line operations, there were some accumulation of the containers at our major ports like JNPT and Kandla. So those were not on account of port operations, but because the shipping line stopped going to Middle East, so that's why those containers got accumulated. So I have some figures like at Kandla, there were around 1575 containers. Those have reduced to around 44 today. So that is around 97% reduction. At JNPT, around 4,500 containers were there on 8th of March. So that has reduced to 394 today. So that is around 92% reduction. And similarly, reefer containers, which were 1,200 on that day, now it has reduced to 8 today. So that is 99% reduction. I would also like to inform that Honorable Minister of Port Shipping and Waterways reviewed the current situation today with all the ports and all the organizations under our Ministry of Port Shipping and Waterways, and has directed all the organizations including ports and DG Shipping to take immediate measures to resolve issues that are brought to their notice by the exporters or by anyone. All Indian seafarers in the region are safe and no incident involving Indian flagged vessel has been reported in past 24 hours. At DG Shipping Control Room, in the past 24 hours, around 198 calls and 319 emails have been received. And the ministry has facilitated the safe repatriation of more than 1,927 Indian seafarers so far, including 124 in the last 24 hours. The ministry continues to coordinate with Ministry of External Affairs, Indian missions, and maritime stakeholders to ensure seafarer welfare and uninterrupted maritime operations. Thank you.